Have you ever felt so overwhelmed that you started feeling disconnected from yourself? Like your mind is racing, your emotions are heavy, and you're just trying to keep up with everything around you? When life feels overwhelming, sometimes the first step is not doing more. Sometimes the first step is slowing down enough to come back to yourself. One way to reconnect with yourself is by setting healthy boundaries. Boundaries are not about being cold or selfish. They help protect your energy, your peace, and your emotional health. Sometimes you have to step away from what keeps draining you so you can finally breathe again. Another helpful step is writing down your thoughts. When everything stays trapped in your mind, it can feel heavier than it really is. But when you write it down, you give yourself space to sort through what you're feeling, what you need, and what has been weighing on you. Reconnect with yourself by listening to your emotions instead of ignoring them. Your emotions are not always the final truth, but they can show you where you need care, rest, honesty, or healing. Pause long enough to ask yourself, what am I really feeling right now? Sometimes you simply need to pause and breathe. A few slow breaths can help your body feel safer and your mind feel clearer. You don't have to solve everything all at once. Give yourself a moment to reset. Spending time in nature can also help you reconnect with calm and peace. Step outside, feel the air, notice the sky, listen to the quiet around you. Sometimes, nature reminds us that life is bigger than the stress we're carrying. When life feels overwhelming, reflect on what truly matters. Not every demand deserves your attention. Not every worry deserves your energy. Ask yourself what is meaningful, what is necessary, and what you may need to release. Practice self-compassion. Speak to yourself with kindness instead of criticism. You are allowed to be tired. You are allowed to need rest. You are allowed to grow slowly. Being gentle with yourself can be part of healing. And finally, let go of what you can't control. You don't have to carry everything. Take small steps each day toward clarity, balance, and... If this video helped you, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more encouraging videos for peace, growth, and emotional clarity. And share this with someone who may need a gentle reminder to slow down and reconnect with themselves. Emotional peace. Reconnecting with yourself does not happen all at once, but every quiet, honest step can help you come back to who you are.